Pen sitting is pretty cool when you get good, but what's also pretty cool is learning a new trick in just a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you the top 10 easiest pen sitting tricks based on some data I gathered nearly a year ago on the difficulty of tricks. Before we get to the list, I'm going to let you in on the secret to actually learning pen sitting tricks even at a later level if you're new here. The secret is, stop relying on verbal aid and just try and copy the tricks. Not every trick has a tutorial, so if you spoon feed yourself tutorials, you'll never learn how to teach yourself new tricks. Also, if you are new, you should learn the 4 fundamentals first, which I highlighted in green on this list. Now onto the list. Actually, 2 of the 4 fundamentals were too hard to be on this list, but I thought I should still put them in here, so let's start with those. Sonic. Finger pass. Now onto the top 10 easiest tricks in pen sitting. Number 10. The swuck. Number 9. The charge. Number 8. The flick. Number 7. Half tap. Number 6. Thumb around. Number 5. Triangle pass. Number 4. Twisted Sonic. Number 3. Infinity. Number 2. Tipped Sonic. And last but not least, number 1 easiest trick of all time in pen sitting is the Neo Sonic. If you want to see more ranked tricks, check out 43 power tricks or 14 sonics ranked from easy to hard. Thanks for watching, see you next time.